Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Zikri bin Khalid Shah from class AV101 and I'm the chairman for this group presentation. This group consists of 4 people, which is Rin, Izzah, Danish and me. And our topic we will discuss is Malaysia should buy more local product. So we will continue with the first point with Rin to present it.
Thank you, Hairul. Hi, good morning. My name is Muhammad Rin Darwis. Did you know by buying our local product, it saves our money? Cool, right? Let me tell you why. The first one is local products are cheaper compared to imported product. It is because local products are readily available. It is easy to get it and it didn't cost much expenses. Without knowing, it raises local product branding. For an example, Bata Brands and Dr. Cardin. These two brands perform in the same qualities, but our local products are cheaper. It clearly can save your money, right? My next point is you can be a frugal person. There's a lot of benefits when you know how to manage your expenses and save your money. When you buy the brand of a local product, you can know where your item comes from. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Our next point will be presented by Izzah Nadia.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Izzah Nadia binti Masalan. Today, I would like to present about the tips how to promote our local brand product. There are two ways to promote our local product in the industry, which is import and export activities throughout the country. In terms of overseas, we can promote our local brands by participating in sales fairs at the national level. This can make our local brand sales become famous. Then, in an indirect, we have also attracted the interest of the public with goods produced by Malaysian citizens. Last but not least, within the country there are many platforms and ways that can be used to promote the local products. Among them is the government giving opportunities to people who have their own business to promote their product. With this, the sales of local product can be increased. Moreover, national entrepreneurs can also use sophisticated facilities such as smartphone to upload any of their sales into existing platform. For example, Instagram, Facebook, Shopee, TikTok and so on. Furthermore, they can also promote through the distribution of newspaper, display advertisement and place banners in appropriate places. Okay, that's all the tips to promoting our local brands product. So, next presenter will be Khairul.
Alright, so I will continue to the next point from this topic. So the next point is it creates job opportunities. So how can this happen, right? It happen when there is high demand by buyers. So company that manufacture this local product will employ more workers to provide this local product. Indirectly, this can reduce the unemployment problem faced in Malaysia. So Malaysian can also improve their standard of living in this country. For example, a company that successfully produce local product is Borneo Corporation Berhad. The company successfully promotes this local product throughout Malaysia and other countries. So this company can open up many job opportunities to cover the production of their product. So that's all of my discussion. We will continue about this topic with Danish.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Danish bin Rizal. Today I would like to present about why we should buy more local products. It is because if we buy more local products, it can instill patriotism. With all these local products being made in our country, it can intentionally cause a patriotism towards every person here in Malaysia, no matter how old they are or how high their status are. Good local products can also grow a good perspective in our country. For an example, Japan succeed with their own local products being released throughout worldwide. This shows that our country can also take the opportunity to produce more high quality local products through all around the world like Japan does. In addition, when our local products got highly reviewed, a lot more people from other countries will use them, which make us feel more proud and appreciative of our own country. Okay, that's all the reason why we should buy more local product. So, I will give Khairul to continue.
Okay, that brings us to the end of the presentation. I'd like to summarize by saying we should support our local product because when we purchase the local product, we are able to reduce cash outflow and boost growth for our industry. That all from us. I had to thank you for your time and your attention today.